This is the best oxtail recipe, period. First, let's get your oxtails prepared. You want to give your oxtail a nice bath in lemon juice or your choice of cleaning method. Give your oxtail a nice rinse. Then add in your wet and dry seasoning. Don't be stingy with the seasoning. Get your pot ready to start browning your oxtail to give it that charred taste. Add some water and more dry seasoning if needed to get this baby ready for the pressure cooker. Cook for 45 minutes on high. Yes, this looks good enough to eat now, but we're not done yet. Bring your oxtails back to the pot on the stove, add the remaining wet seasoning and butter beans, then give it a good stir. Let it cook for 30 minutes to an hour to marinate. Wow, so delicious. It's time to eat. Just look at that. Now that was delicious. Subscribe and like for more delicious recipes. Thank you.